Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Trust Wallet password. Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you are solely responsible for your recovery phrase. This 12-word phrase is the master key to your funds. If you've forgotten your password, your recovery phrase is the only way to restore access. We'll walk through the steps to use it safely and effectively. Remember, never share this phrase with anyone. Your recovery phrase is the cornerstone of your Trust Wallet security. It's a unique 12-word sequence that essentially is your wallet. Unlike traditional passwords, this phrase isn't something you can reset. It's generated once during setup and must be kept safe. Think of it as the ultimate backup for all your digital assets. Understanding its importance is the first step to securing your funds.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable advice for financial independence. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
To restore your wallet, open the Trust Wallet app and choose the I already have a wallet option. Next, select Multi-Coin Wallet. You will then be prompted to enter your 12-word recovery phrase. It's crucial to type each word precisely and in the correct sequence. Any error will prevent successful restoration. Once entered, you can set a new password for daily access to your restored wallet. Protecting your recovery phrase is paramount. The best practice is to write it down on paper and store it in multiple secure, offline locations. Avoid digital storage methods like screenshots, emails, or cloud services, as these are vulnerable to hacks. Always be suspicious of anyone asking for your recovery phrase. Legitimate support will never request it. Your vigilance is your best defense against losing your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.